Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So this is part 2 of how to create infographics in Canva. Alright, so this is part 2 and part 1 tutorial is already uploaded in my YouTube channel, so you can check the video out. Alright, and let's continue. Okay, so we have created our first infographic poster which says what makes a good video editor. We have insert at least 6 important points, alright, as you can see, and we have include one rote material, alright, and we have add some vectors which represents video editing. Okay, so now this is the infographic poster which represents video editor, and alright, so let's continue to our next poster. Let's create our next poster. Alright, I have prepared the template already, okay, but I will just tell you what I have done. So I have created this. Alright, this is a square shape, and I have made this color yellow, okay, and I have add one more shape. This is called bubble. It's like a text effect, alright, and I have duplicate here, and here, alright, and I have added a circle frames also, as you can see, and I have added this particle, okay, you can find it in your element site. So let's start. So I will go to my text. And I will add the heading. Alright, and I'm gonna change the font. And I'm gonna type what makes a good graphic designer. I'm gonna go to effects and I'm gonna add the shadow effects, okay, because I want to add some shadow in my text. There you go. Alright, okay, so now it's time to add some important points of being a graphic designer, what makes a good graphic designer. And if you want to create an infographic poster just like how I'm creating, I suggest you to do some research and do some research on that. Okay, so let's get started, and I have already prepared my text, so I'm just gonna copy paste. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my text again, and I'm gonna add the heading, and I'm just gonna type a number here. You need to play around with your fonts. you always need to keep in mind how to arrange the text, the elements. Alright, so make a draft on your mind how your poster, how your design should be. Alright, there you go. So far I have already arranged my text. Alright, and let me give you one tip. Alright, so while designing, if you have any problem, like you are selecting your text, but by mistake you select your shape, alright, and by mistake you move it around, and it will be difficult for you to arrange it back. Like, your time will be wasted, right? So I will give you I'm gonna give you one trick. Alright, what you have to do is just select your shape. Yeah, select your shape and go here in the taskbar and lock it. So even though by mistake you select your shape can be moved. Alright, I will do the same thing here also. So I hope the tip that I have given you, that is useful for you. Alright, so moving ahead, I have already created my poster so far. Now it's time for me to add the pictures, to fill these frames with vectors of designing. Alright, so now actually if you want, you can, if you are finding a vectors image, then you can always search. Don't forget to include PNG on it. Alright, I'll just give you one example. So graphic design PNG, just like this, graphic design PNG. Always include graphic design PNG and go to image, and there are a bunch of vectors of it. There are a bunch of images there. Alright, and if you want to download, example, I want to download this. I like this, but I have this background is disturbing me. So what I will do is I will go to will create a new tab again, and I will type remove PG, remove background. And this is a free site. You don't have to pay. It's free. Alright, so you just have to drag it. There you go, you can see the difference. Remove background, you can see the difference, and original there. So you can see the difference, original and remove background. And if you like this result, like I like the result, and download it. And again I will go to my Canva, my project, and I will just go to my uploads. Alright, and drop the downloaded image. I like this one, so I'm gonna drag it here, just like this. So this is a short example. I have my images already, so I'll just, alright, so I have my images already, so I'll just fill that. I'm just gonna leave this as it is, and I'm gonna add the rest of the frames. Alright, so that's so far I'm done with my poster. Alright, so I'm done creating my poster. So we have done creating 2 posters. Alright, so that's all for this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you find this video helpful, then please like, share, subscribe, and if you want me to create, and do comment what video tutorial you want me to create. Alright, and I will try my best for all of you to create that video. And Thank you so much for watching and please do support. And yes, if you're watching this video until now, then please do drop a yellow heart or a yellow star. Alright, thank you so much guys and see you in the next video.